guys, I totally remembered something that I bought like early on this summer that I completely forgot about, that I like set aside to do an unboxing for on the channel, and again, completely forgot about because of that one toxic friendship that like went really awry and all the things fell on the back burner because of. Yeah, totally forgot about this. So it's a set from Wet n Wild. It's their Crystal Cavern limited edition collection. Yeah, I bought the whole damn collection, guys, because I have no chill. Yet is that what I originally went there to buy? No! I was on that site to buy the Pac-Man collection. They only had 2 of the 3 sets because I didn't have enough money to buy like the big box set of all the things together, so I bought the 2 that they had. One of these days I'll hit up eBay to get the other one, but I wanted the free shipping, so I needed to buy something else to hit free shipping, and I saw the ooh sparkly, and we all know how that goes with me, so I bought the Crystal Cavern collection. It's so holographic and pretty, and the whole thing looks like a gemstone, and how could I not? How could I not? So, Wet n Wild Los Angeles Crystal Cavern limited edition collection. Discover the beauty of crystals and get in touch with your most beautiful self. Most powerful self I can read with the new Wet n Wild limited edition Crystal Cavern collection. Channel positive energy through uplifting multidimensional hues and fragrances inspired by rose quartz, clear quartz, amethyst, and jade. Which happen to be my favorite gemstones anyway. So again, this had my name all over it, guys. I could not pass this up. I'm sorry. These crystals bring love, healing, balance, and prosperity into your life. It's nothing short of magical. And yeah, I used Afterpay, so I could afford this. So, rose quartz is for love, jade is for prosperity, amethyst is for balance, and clear quartz is healing. So, you know, makes sense that I'd be drawn to these. So anyways, in the rose quartz collection... Oh, as an aside, I love how of the individual sets on there, like, the rose quartz, the jade, and the amethyst stood out to me. And for some reason, my brain had already forgotten what I bought and thought there was just, like, those 3 in this box set. So when I was like, wait, there's a clear quartz? There's another one I need to buy? Then I looked in the box and was like, wait. Wow. I derped out that hard to where I didn't realize there was 4? Even though I had been into this box several times by that point? I suck. I officially suck. So anyway, the rose quartz palette looks like this and has these gorgeous shades in it. I am probably, actually, of the colors in here, probably the most excited for these, believe it or not. Yeah, again, pink has been a bigger and bigger thing in my life lately, and I don't know why. I feel broken. So, ironically, the only things I've actually used out here yet are, like, the little rollerball perfumes. But look, they actually have crystals in them, and I think that is just the coolest damn thing. Like, I know I had something like this from Avon years and years ago with, like, my birthstone in it. I still have it somewhere. I think I've shown it on this channel even before. Not as a review, but I feel like I've just, like, showed it because I, like, mentioned it for some reason. But look, listen. Can you hear that? It's, like, such a soft, delicate sound, and I love it. So... we didn't get, like, descriptions of the scents anywhere on the site. I think they're already not selling this collection anymore, if I'm not mistaken, but this one is just, like, a really lovely rose scent, and it's probably my favorite one of the 4. And it also comes with a matching lip gloss. Like, this one, out of the ones here, it's probably, like, the closest to a practical color. So then we've got the Jade set, which is probably my second favorite of them. Plus, I mean, you know, I'm always going to be partial to anything called Jade since, you know, pseudonym. So anyways, we've got the Jade Rollerball, which was the first one I opened up. I really don't know what to describe this one as smelling like. It's like just perfumey in general, but I cannot put my finger on what that smells like to save my butt. But yeah, we got the gorgeous little stones in there. I'm like, oh my god, I love it. I love it! Oh my goodness. So there's that. And then the lip gloss here, I really hope it doesn't go on that color. I hope it's like that one Avon one that looked like this color in the tube and then went on just like shimmery clear. So hopefully it doesn't go on green because I'm sorry, who needs to be wearing green on their lips? Not me. Then we've got a lovely amethyst set. Look at these rich hues. They're so pretty. I'll probably do separate videos for all this stuff, knowing me, because that is how I roll. Here's our lovely little amethyst. They're so cute. And this one, like the jade one, just smells perfumey, but it's like clean perfumey, if that makes sense in any way, shape, or form. Again, I don't know how to describe it. Really wish they had listed somewhere on here what they're supposed to be. Kind of an interesting lip gloss color. Not sure if it'll be that highly pigmented on or not, but could be interesting. And then we've got our clear quartz one, which these will be fun to play with, like highlighters and shadows and things, even though that's not even what it's meant to be, because we have a highlighter in here additionally. Here's the clear quartz, which if you guys can even see them in the, yeah, you can see them. Yeah. But, alas, it's kind of coconutty, so I'm going to get that away from my nose real fast. Definitely forgot about that. And then this is what the clear one looks like, just like iridescent, shimmery glitter. So, that's those. And it also comes with limited edition Mega Glow Face Mist Aura Booster. And it says, like, nothing else about it, including how to use it. So, I am not sure if this is just, like, a straight-up facial mist thing, or if it's gonna, like, leave glitter, or what it's gonna do, but whenever I get a day to, like, open it up and try it out, I guess we'll find out. Oh, tell me I did not just wreck that packaging. I think I did. Damn it. Well, there seems to be some adhesive backing, so maybe I can get back in there. But this is the actual highlighter it came with. And this is in Crystal High. And this looks like a highlighter I would wear. Just like, you guys know me. You know the highlighters I gravitate to more than anything. That so looks like a color I would wear. And then the last thing in here. I legitimately don't know what these are for. Brightening rocks. Like, can anybody explain what the fuck brightening rocks are for? Is this like another highlighter thing? Like, I'm assuming the sponge is to hold them in place so they don't, like, destroy each other in there, but, like, I am confused. Oh, god damn it. Where did it go? I see it. Okay, at least it landed pigment side up, but, they are pigmented in the different colors, but I'm just like, so what is it exactly? If any of you know, please explain, because I'm not quite sure what these are or what they're for, other than they apparently do have some shimmery pigment to them. I just don't know, is this a highlighter? Is this something else? Like, what are these meant for? How do I use them? Explain. Please explain. But yeah, so I honestly can't review this yet, since I haven't used the grand majority of what all's in it, other than just the perfumes so far. But, what? Sounds like it's moving. I bet you there's a silica gel under there. I can almost guarantee it by the way that's rattling around. But at the same time, I am not going to destroy the packaging to check. So it can, wait. Here we go. Okay, I'm getting it. Gotta love how just by the sound alone, I detected silica gel packets. Fuck the silica gel packets. They're creepy. They scare me. Get them out of here, please and thank you. What fell down on me? Oh, lip gloss. Okay. so I'm gonna just throw those the hell away, because frankly, we don't need them in there. We don't live somewhere where I'm worried about it flooding, so, plus I have an upstairs bedroom. We're good. We're good. So, anyways, so those can go in the trash. But anyways, yeah, do not eat. Desiccant drying packet. Yeah. Discard with care. Am I the only one who wonders, like, if you tossed it in a bucket of water, what would happen? Like, I know, like, what the intended purpose of these are. I'm just curious. How absorbent are they? Maybe I'll keep them for a science experiment, but probably not. I'll probably just throw them away because they scare me and creep me out. But anyways, that is it for this one. We will look forward to reviewing these sometime, along with unboxing the Pac-Man ones that I've got. I'd really like to get that third set before I do it, but if I can't get it off eBay, I don't want my other stuff to expire in the meantime, but at least now I remember it's a thing I have, because like I said, I totally forgot this was even a thing in my possession until today. Actually, I was gonna say almost 6 months later. No! I bought this in June. This is 6 months later. So, I suck, but at least I remember now, so we can start taking advantage of them. I did make the mistake of looking on their website again today and looking at all the pretties and being like, bad, Jen, bad. No, you do not need to be buying makeup like that right now. Not when you have so many things from Ipsy that still need to even be opened, much less reviewed, before you can even think about that. And yet here I am like, ooh, look at all the pretties, and it's limited edition. Oh my god, fuck FOMO. Like, fuck FOMO. But anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.